Hey you guys, so in this video I would like to show you how you can actually sign up your leads for free and give them a free membership site. So a lot of people might think, oh, if you want to give them membership site access, you need to at least charge the money. So today I'm going to show you how you can actually give them free access to your membership site automatically without you having to manually enter their details into your membership site. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to get your membership site set up. So if you don't know how to do that, I've already got a YouTube link in at the bottom of this video. We've already done a YouTube video on how to set up a membership site. Okay, so go watch that. Now, once you've got a membership site set up, then you could link it to a funnel after they've signed up. So to show you what I mean by that, let me show you my funnel. Okay, so this is a live funnel where we're having an event, and let's just go and have a look. So people will land here and they will go, okay, I want to attend this free webinar and I'm going to register. Okay, all right. So okay, what's happening here? Okay, here we are. All right, so once they click onto that, instead of a pop-up form, they're going to be directed to another page in your funnel. So this would be the next page in your funnel. And what we're going to do is there is a form here. You can see here it's $0. So all they have to do is fill in this form. And as soon as they fill this form, they get free access into your membership area, and it's all automatic. So let's just reverse engineer to see how I did that. Okay, so let's have a look here. So you can see here that the first page is your landing page where you get them to click sign up here. Then you go sign up page. And this is where they go, the second page, right? And once they've done that, you've got a thank you page. All right. So that's what it looks like. So let's just create this together. Okay. All right. So I'm going to grab a funnel and we're going to do that together. I'm going to, let's clone a funnel. Okay. So I'm cloning a funnel that I currently have to show you. Okay, so I'm going to rename this. So in case you want to find out how to rename things, this is how it's done. I'll go instructional video, or I could call it demo video. All right, so here we are. So this is what a typical funnel would look like. You've got your countdown, you've got like so, and what we're going to do is I'm going to, instead of having just a thank you page like this, okay, so this is thank you page. If you attended one of our funnel days, this is what you would have built. So let's just say you've done this first page, a landing page, and you've got a thank you page, and we've also got a pop-up. Now, instead of the pop-up, I want it to have a second page instead. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add, all right, so let's just go find that one. So I'm going to find it. All right, so I found this template called minimal checkout template. So that's all I need. And I want the checkout form to be on the right, or if you wanted the template to the checkout form to be on the left, you could go minimal checkout template on this version. Okay, so I like this version, so I want to do that. So I'm going to select that. Okay, once we've done that, I'm going to delete the top bit. I don't need it. I want to keep it very simple. And I want to change this. Let's just say I want to change into something that looks like more like my funnel. So let's just go with that one. So it's all consistent with the front page or the landing page. Okay, so you can see that's not that big. So we go to design. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. Okay, right, like so. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this, you can delete that, or you could call it, it's mine is called funnel day. So there you go. Or you can go sign up now, like that, whatever you want to call it. And then right here, we could just put in, you know, for us, we just go, everyone gets a funnel, a little bit like everybody gets a prize kind of thing. And then you could just type up when you want to type up there. It could be beginner proof training. That's fine. You can do some text in here. Money back guarantee. I could say guaranteed to walk away with a funnel and done with your program. So you can do whatever you want in there, right? So now what I'm going to do is this, this form here. So this is now the tricky part. So pay attention. First of all, what we need to do is we're going to have to create a form to put in here. Okay. So let's just park this on the side. I'm going to save down my funnel that I've just built. Okay. Right. Now we're going to park this page for a moment. And what we're going to do, we are going to go into Groovesell. Groovesell is basically where you collect payment. Okay. So now you're in Groovesell. And what you're going to do is to go to product funnels. And you're going to create a product. And this product is going to cost $0. And you're going to go product funnels, right? Like that. This will appear. And you can see I already have a lot of products here. But I'm going to create one with you. So new product funnel. And let's just call it demo product free. Okay. And I'm just going to call that all the way through. And you know, you can say what niche it is. I'm going to leave it as business. Currency, you can choose what you want. I'm going to leave it as USD. No domain selected. I don't want to show in marketplace. Then you create the product funnel. All right. So you can see here, this is gray out. So what you need to do is you need to go edit it first. So let's just go edit. And this yellow button. And we just follow the prompt. So demo product free. Let's copy. That's the name of the product. You can call it pre-training as well as your product. Okay. And then, so let's just say you want to give people access to your membership area. You can call the product name can be, let's call it, look, I'm just going to leave it demo product fee. It's up to you. You can name it free membership. You can do it pre-training. It's up to you. But for the purpose of this exercise, just call it demo product free. Okay. So we're going to go front end product. That's fine. Then we're going to save and next. And then the next thing we're going to do is we are going to call it, I'm going to take away that one. And again, I'm just going to keep this consistent. Demo product free, price description. Okay. And this is going to be a one-time, not recurring. Okay. And the price, we're going to do it $0. Okay. And then we are going to go save and next. Oops. Demo product. What is it one? Oh, I thought sometimes if your copy and paste doesn't work, just go backspace and then enter. Okay. Save and next. All right. So because this product is free, you don't need to collect any credit cards or PayPal or anything like that. So in this video, I'm not going to go through how to set up a payment gateway. All right. So I'm going to leave that. Although I do have a YouTube video showing you how to take payment. All right. So you can go and watch that video where I did test out showing you how to get your API key and all that. Okay. So for this instance, if you do already have a payment gateway set up, you don't have to worry about it. You can just skip this step and just go save next. Because it's a free product, you don't have to worry about it. Okay, this sales page. So your sales page would be the funnel page that we just came on. And the thank you page, we have that as well, the URL. So what we need to do Oops. All right, I just need to go grab the page, and to get there is, just hang on. All right, to get your sales page, what you need to do is to go back into your Groove pages. So you've got 2 tabs open. So this is where your Groove page was, and we were on this demo video, right? So open the editor. Okay, what you're going to do is, okay, so I'm just going to call it demo video, publish. All right, so that's generated. And then what we're going to do is, that's the link that you need. This is the landing page. And then this is page 2. This is a thank you page. And the sales page is this page right here. So what we need to do is to publish. Okay. And we're going to click onto there, and you're going to grab this link here. Oops. Go back into sales page, put that sales page right here. Okay. Then thank you page. You're going to go back into here. This is your thank you page. Again, click on this blue URL and it will take you to the live URL. Copy and go, oops, where are you? Thank you page. Right. So, and that's it. Okay. So sales page is where you've got that form earlier. Okay. This form here. Now I want this to be on page 2. So I'm going to move it up here. Okay. And let go. So the order of the pages would be your landing page, and then your sales page, and then your thank you page. All right. So let's go back. So save and next. Form field. I don't need address, city, or postcode. I'm going to leave things as is right here. Express checkout. Yes. Activate one-click information. I want to keep it as simple as possible. Use one upsell. I don't want upsell. Yes. Active straight through payment. Use one-click upsell and place orders once the buy now button is clicked, or use one-click upsell but ask a company for placing order. So whichever one. I'll just go with that one. All the other ones I'm just going to leave. Look and feel, I'm just going to leave it as default. Save and next. I'm not doing order bump, so let's save and next. Thank you page. There you are. It's already linked. Save and next. And this is the part where you link to your membership. Okay. So I already have a membership site set up. So if you don't already have one, you need to go and watch my YouTube video on how to set up a membership site. So once you've done that, you should appear here. So I've got 2. So I'm going to give them free pre-training. So I'll click onto that one, standard access, add, and there it is. Okay. Ignore the rest. Don't worry about the other ones. Save and next. Affiliates, nothing. Save and next. Proof widget, I'll do a YouTube video on that one, so we'll ignore it in this case. Save and next, and you're finished. And so that's your form. Okay, save and exit. Okay, you can see here this is still grayed out. So what you're going to do is you're now going to click this cart like so. What's happening? All right, so come back to this page here with all your product funnels and look for your product. You can see here it says draft mode. So we're going to go options and we are going to make live. Okay. And the subdomain, just call it demo video in line with what your membership site, your product is about. So I'm going to is now live. And so when you go to manage products, you will see that cart is now pink. So before it was gray. So when it was gray, what I did was I went back into the list of funnels that you see the screen before, and you need to then make it live. So when that was gray, one more time, I go to product funnels, I click on the down button, and I go make it live. Right now, it's already live. So change, or you can change it back to draft mode. So now it's live. And it's ready to go. So now what you need to do is you need to go back into Groovefunnels, so right here, and we're going to edit this. Okay, so let's just close this page. So what we're going to do now is we're going to delete this form, and we are going to go and grab custom code embed. I'm going to drop it into here like so. Okay, then what you're going to do is go back into your product funnels, and you're going to grab the URL by going into manage products. You're going to press this button here, and it's going to give you, oops, what's happening here? No, that's not what I want. You need to go, I believe you have to go back in. So you go back in, you go to finish, and you are going to go into, all right, I need to find the embed code. All right, so in order to get the embed code, what you need to do is when you're in this screen, press onto this cart menu, all right? And you're going to go single price checkout, one step, because you're going to want to keep it simple. And this is your embed code. So you've got to embed it code into your page. You are going to copy. Oops, you didn't copy everything. Copy. Okay, back. We're going to, once you copy that, let's get out. Then what you need to do is to go back into your funnel, press onto this cogwheel, and we're going to paste it into here like so, save, and you see your product, which you've just created that's for free, will appear in this payment form. And see, that's it, right? So we're going to save, and we are then going to publish as well. So let's make sure you're published. Let's publish. Okay, make sure it's published. And then we're going to test it out. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back into this front page here. As the last thing, what we need to do is here, previously I have linked it to pop-up. So I need to go into the pencil, configure. I'm going to link it to the next page, which is page 2, and update. Okay. And make sure you do it to the one below as well. Page 2. Because what you want to do is when they press onto that button, instead of a pop-up form, you want them to be taken to the next page where your sales page is, which is for $0. Okay, so let's publish. Okay, we're pretty much there. So now what we want to do is to go into the live funnel like so. And we're going to press onto this register here button. Still thinking. Okay, register here. Oh, it's still not updated. Oh, that's because I've taken it to page 2. All right, you can see here I've got it the wrong way. So let's just rename this and call it sales page. And let's just rename page 2. Oops. Thank you. And rename this to sales page. Press tick. All right, so let's try this again. Save and publish. And look, it's great that I'm making these little mistakes in front of you, because you will likely be making these same mistakes. So now that it's published, we are going to then go have a look at the funnel. All right, so I'm not sure if it's updated yet, so let's give it a few moments. Page is still loading, waiting for Groove. Okay, let's just see. Nope, still not updating. Let's just try it again. Let's close this. All right, let's just reload it. Let's just try this. All right, guys, one more thing that I didn't do is when you go back to here with this button, I put it to page 2. So after renaming it, you can see a bit clearly that you want this button to go to sales page. So that was another thing. So guys, just remember it's best practice to rename your pages so that you know where it's going. So let's just go to sales page. Okay, so that's what you're doing. You're telling it that when you press this button, you are going to link it to a page and it's the sales page that you want it to go. All right, and so we're going to save and then we are going to publish. Okay, and let's just wait a little while and go onto here. And the idea is now that you've told the button to go take you to the sales page. All right. So what's going to happen is that when you press onto the sales page, register here, once it's finished thinking, still not updated. Okay, takes a while, doesn't it? Okay. All right, guys, so hopefully it's now updated. So you're now at this page. We're going to register right here. Let's just see what this works now. Now, if this doesn't load for you, one way you could go is to go what we call a new incognito window to refresh the cookies. So see, it's not refresh. So what you can do is a little trick, copy, open the new incognito window. So it's basically got no cookies in it. Okay. And we're going to go register here. All right, there we are. So this page loads up, okay, and the payment sales page on the right, which is your product, comes out. So your customer will fill in their first and last name, their email address, and they get free access, and it will automatically then take them to your thank you page because that's what you told it to do. It will go into this thank you page, okay, because that's the next page that you want it to do, because during the setup of your product, you did say to go to the thank you page as your next step. So where is it? Once you register. And then because this product is automatically linked to your membership page, it will actually then automatically register your lead or your client or your customer to your membership as well because you've linked it there. And they will automatically then get an email from your membership to say they've been registered. All right, guys. So hopefully that helps. And I'll see you later. All right. Bye.